This is for you, CBSE, and all the officials and the directors and the secretary and the controller of examination and anyone and everyone who's handling the examination of CBSE. I'm furious, like the rest of lakhs and lakhs across the country. I'm a bit more because I was a part of your education system for years together. I have few questions like the rest of the country, rest of the citizens and the students there. I have few questions. And as an educator, we are so used to summing up, of revising, and let me put it across without too much of polish. First thing first, why the 17 years old children, grade 12 students, all of 17 years, why they had to point out your lapses and your discrepancies? Why did not you identify and fortified your vulnerable and exploitable areas before implementation? What was the hurry? What was the rush? And look at the amount of anxiety and the stress you have caused. Do you think you can ever compensate that? You make rules, you send circulars, military competencies. Precision for schools is non-negotiable when it comes to from you. But then what about you people? Do you ever get your rules and the files and the systems audits? And by whom? All it took these 17 years old kids to exploit your entire, to expose your entire system. You are forgetting that you're dealing with 21st century kids. They're ready with the shovels, technology. They'll dig any and everything from the buried graves. Don't you ever think on that? You're dealing with 21st century skills, 21st century students. Had they not been there, we, the rest of the country, would not have known about Globalina. 2019, 23 kids committing suicide in Telangana. Had it not been these 3 students? And for how many years it has been going on, nobody knows it. It's all under the rest. And the same odd company, it re-christianed by the name itself, by the name of Educamp, and they're in the system conducting as big an examination as CBSE grade 12, jeopardizing the entire stress and anxiety and future of the 18.5 lakh students. Do you people even realize that? The school, they need to exercise integrity and honesty and accountability and competency. And what about you people? We are expected to teach ethics and values and morals and honesty and mental health. And look at what you have done to the mental health of the students. Do you have any explanation? For that matter, any one of you, from top to bottom, right from the minister to the people in the corridors of CBSE, principals, teachers, they are made to go and attend the mental health workshops and ethics workshops, teaching them what is ethics and morals and integrity. And young people, just making the rules and compelling giving them the deadlines, giving them the ultimatums, giving the schools the ultimatums. We have to do this. And look at the audacity over and above all this fiasco. You're sending messages that you have to give some positive feedback. Put it across on the Twitter and on Instagram and feedback, and 3 messages from 3 different people from 3 different accounts. This is the kind of messages you are doing. This is the kind of damage control you all are doing. शांत होके क्यों नहीं बैठते? Make some strategies so that you can do justice to these poor kids. Those who are going, those parents, they are having a tough time handling those kids. The kind of anxieties and stress you all are giving. And over and above all this, something you all are doing. It's disturbing. There was a CBSE we all used to take pride in being was CBSE school principals and teachers. And now they think, even though they may not be speaking, I can speak because I'm out of the system now. But then what are you doing? Pariksha pe charcha, man ki baat. What is man ki baat and what is pariksha pe charcha? Policing the students. I mean, look at when the kids, they come to the examination, the kind of scrutiny, the kind of frisking you people do. Ye utaro, ye nahi penna, wo nahi penna. And look what you are doing. किसी की कॉपी है, किसी का सेकंड पेज किसी का नहीं, किसी का थर्ड पेज नहीं है, किसी की राइटिंग नहीं है, किसी के मार्क्स नहीं है, and on screen marking. Wonderful concept. Conceptualized was a wonderful concept like what CCE was. But then CCE failed for the very reason like what your OSM has failed. Devoid of training. Just 74 before you are telling the schools that this is how we are going to do it. No training. And all this information, what all I'm speaking is from the public domain I'm getting. So please, for God's sake, stop manhandling the kids. 21st century kids they are. They won't take things lying down. They won't keep quiet till the time they don't get answers. Must you realize this? That last week only I was there in a school taking a workshop on readiness and preparedness of students and schools to handle 21st century kids. But then I forgot that I had to include the CBSE board also. So I'm agonized. We all are. And we all have some solid reason to feel bad and agonized. Please do something. Put your house in order. Do whatever it takes. Whether on the ministry level or on your corridors in the CBSE, rather than going for ribbon cutting and releasing the books and going here, there, everywhere, stay put there. Put all your energy there to conduct examination as big as your class 12th and NEET and what all these examinations. You're not an examination body. Please, for God's sake, put your house in order. Do whatever it takes. Kids, they had enough of you. Enough of your examination. All hit and trial, all experimentation being done for class 12. आप 10th के लिए कर देते ना, आप 9th और 11th के लिए कर देते थे. So, take care and you will realize. And please, ये जो blacklist वाले लोग हैं, कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ तो compromise हुआ होगा. Let the CBI do. Put it across to the CBI. कुछ तो favor हुआ होगा. Otherwise, why would someone entertain the blacklisted company to again take care of this kind of examination? Be transparent yourself. Schools are doing wonderful job. Principals are doing fabulous job. Teachers are, because we move into the nook and corners of the school, of the state and country taking workshops. We know how hard they are working, how difficultly, with all those difficulties they are working, under what circumstances they are working, the teachers and the principal. Most of the time they are just making sure they have to comply with whatever the circulars and they have to meet your deadlines and ultimatums. So put your house in order, CBSE.